So in this video I will tell you how you can just block and unblock anyone you want in your Snapchat application. So first you need to go to you need to just go and search for anyone you want to block. For example, if I want to block any particular account, for example this account, I can just click on this and I can mm, go to manage friendship and just block this account. So this account will be blocked. Okay, so you click on block and this account will be blocked. So if you want to unblock this account, you can just click on your profile picture. After that, go to settings, then go and scroll down to the last, go to blocked, and here you can see any blocked account you have blocked in the past. So you can just simply unblock any account you want to unblock. So this is how the block feature and unblock features work on Snapchat app.